Hi, welcome back to a new episode on this channel. If you haven't seen, I'm driving now in the Peugeot 308. I'm driving to my new car. I bought a new car that I'm going to collect now. I will show you in a little bit what I've bought. The reason why I'm selling this car, this Peugeot, it's not because it is bad. I love this car very much. It's almost 10 years old now. It is a diesel. And the government is not good for diesels. There are a lot of cities you cannot drive anymore in it with a diesel. And because I get now a good money back for this car, I decided to sell it and to buy a petrol car. That's why I'm selling this car. Not because it's bad. I love this car. The last problem I had with the AdBlue system is fixed. If you can see on the dash, I got no errors anymore, and I really love this car. I'm a big fan of Peugeot. I brought another brand now. Why I brought another brand is because the same equal kind of car from Peugeot, I must pay 10,000 euros more. In the same options, same year, same mileage, I must pay 10,000 euros more. I think it's not good. Why they keep the prices so high. So now let's continue to drive to the point where I can pick up the car, and I will show you the car. So, here I am at the dealership now. If you can see. I don't see the car yet outside. I think they parked them inside for me. But I will show you in a bit what I got. But you can see it almost already in the thumbnail. I bought a Hyundai Kona from 2018. It got 126 kilometers on it, and it was a very good price. But I will show you in a bit the car.
I can't do nothing with you.
So it's now a few days later. When I was collecting the car, I cannot record because I must go to work, and I'm now in the final stage of my school. So I must do a lot of things, but today I got time to filming again. I drive it now for a few days. It drives great. What I want to do, I want to polish the entire car. Not today because it is cold. If you can see, it's wet. When the weather's becoming good, I will polish the car. I find out one light on the rear is not working. When I hit it, it will come up. So I will check why it's not working correctly. I already ordered some new parts. I ordered the new headlights, the bulbs. I want to put in LEDs. It's much brighter. And I want to put in a tow hook under it. And for the Android Auto, I ordered the wireless, from wired to wireless, because now only it works when I put a wire in, and it's not fine. So let's check out the lights on the rear, why it's not working, and continue from there. So this small light here is not working correctly. When I hit it, it will glow up again. So let's check out why it is not working. It's easily access. Just pull off this plastic piece. And just take out the light. I already saw what's wrong with this. It was turned a little bit, it was loose, but now I securely connected. So let's check if it's fixing the problem. No. I just pull out the bulb, and the bulb is not good anymore. So let's change this out. I got a new set in here somewhere. Let's see if I have the correct light in here. Now let's check. And now it's working again. So now let's put back everything together. So the light was an easy fix. I must wait now until a few parts coming in. I want to do the LED headlight conversion kit, and I want to put the tow hook under it, and a lot of the little different things. I must order the same paint as was on the car, because there are little bits of stone chips. Here's a little bit, 2 spots. It is already starting to rust again. So I must adjust that here on the side. I must do a little bit of repair, and I want to clean and polish the entire car. I want to do an upgrade to my system from Android Auto. So if you like the channel, please subscribe, put post notifications on, give a thumbs up if you like this episode. Lots of episodes are coming for this car. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.